6 months ago, none of these businesses existed, not one. And right now, I'm watching regular people, not tech founders, not engineers, just regular people with laptops build these businesses and make 1 to 5 lakh a month from them. The wildest part is that most of the world still does not know these tools exist. We are talking about features that launched in the last 3 weeks. So if you're watching this right now, you are genuinely early. And I promise you, that window will not stay open for long. Today I'm showing you 5 AI businesses you can start this week. No coding, no team, no funding, just a laptop and some curiosity. And I'm walking you through step by step so you can literally pause this video and start doing it. Let us go. Number 5, AI pitch tech and design agency using Claude Design. So Anthropic, the company behind Claude, launched this new thing called Claude Design about 3 weeks ago. And honestly, when I first tried it, I just sat there for a minute thinking about how many designers are going to lose sleep over this. You type one line describing what you want and it builds you a full pitch deck, a mobile app prototype, a carousel, a one-pager, whatever. And it does not look like some AI garbage template. It actually looks like someone who knows design made it. Figma stock dropped 7% the day this launched. That reaction was not an overreaction. Now think about who needs this. Every founder pitching investors needs a deck. Every startup applying to an accelerator needs a deck. Every small business owner presenting to a client needs slides. And most of them either pay a designer 30 to 50,000 rupees and wait a week, or they open PowerPoint and make something that physically hurts to look at. You fix that, go to claude.ai, click design in the sidebar. Type create a 10-slide pitch deck for a fintech startup targeting Indian millennials. Dark theme, clean typography, include problem, solution, market size, revenue model, team, and ask. Claude builds the whole deck in about 2 minutes. You export it as PDF or PowerPoint or send it to Canva if you want to add your own finishing touches. Charge 10 to 20,000 per deck. 5 clients a month and you are already at 50,000 to 1 lakh. The funny thing is each project takes you maybe 2 to 3 hours because Claude genuinely does 90% of the work. I mean, worse jobs exist. Number 4, AI financial analysis using Claude for Excel. Okay, this one is so new that when I tell people about it, they think I'm making it up. Anthropic just launched a direct Claude add-in for Microsoft Excel. It builds financial models from raw data, audits your formulas, runs sensitivity analysis, creates dashboards, everything. Goldman Sachs and Citi are already using it. And 2 days ago, they dropped 10 ready-to-use financial AI agents on top of that. But here is the opportunity that nobody is seeing. Goldman Sachs does not need you. The thousands of small businesses, CA firms, and startup founders in India who live inside Excel and have no clue this exists, they need you. Install the Claude add-in from the Excel store. Takes 1 minute. Take a client's messy financial data, dump it in, click the Claude button and say build me a P and L dashboard with monthly revenue trends, expense breakdown by category and a 6-month cash flow projection. Use a dark theme with charts. Claude builds the whole thing. Formulas, charts, formatting, everything. You clean it up, make it look sharp and deliver it as a monthly report. Charge 15 to 25,000 per month per client. Get 5 to 8 clients and you are sitting at 1 to 2 lakh monthly. Number 3, Claude Co-work setup and automation consultant. When Claude Co-work launched in January, Infosys dropped 7% in one single day. The Indian IT index fell 6%. Billions of rupees in market value just vanished overnight. Why? Because investors realized this one tool could do chunks of what IT companies charge crores for. But here is the funny part. 4 months later, 99% of business owners still do not know how to set it up. They have heard the name, they know they should probably use it, but they open it, stare at it for 5 minutes, feel overwhelmed and close it. That gap between knowing about it and actually using it is where your entire business lives. You learn co-work properly, and honestly, it is not that hard. It just takes a focused weekend. Set up the workspace, understand projects, learn how to write proper task instructions, connect Gmail, Notion, Google Drive, Calendar. Then you go to business owners with a dead simple offer. I will set up Claude Co-work for your business in 1 day. I will automate your email management, your meeting prep, your weekly reports, and I will train your team to use it themselves. Charge 25 to 50,000 for the initial setup plus 10,000 per month for ongoing support and optimization. Number 2, AI product image and ad creative studio using ChatGPT images. April 21st, ChatGPT launched something called Images 2, and I genuinely think most people slept on this. This is the first AI image model that actually thinks before it draws. It generates up to 8 images from one prompt, produces at 2K resolution, and here is the big one, it renders text that is actually readable. If you tried AI image generation even 6 months ago, you know the text always looked like a toddler wrote it with their left hand. That problem is now gone. Why does this matter? Because every D2C brand, every e-commerce seller, every small business needs product photos and ad creatives constantly. A professional product shoot costs them 50,000 to 2 lakh. You come in and generate studio quality product shots and scroll stopping ad creatives in minutes. Get one clean product photo from the client on a white background. Upload it to ChatGPT and say generate 5 lifestyle product photos of this protein bar in a gym setting and a morning kitchen setting. Natural lighting, premium feel, it gives you beautiful variations. Then you create the ad creatives. Generate an Instagram ad with bold headline text saying fuel your workout, dark background, product centered, and the text actually reads properly. That was literally impossible before April. Charge 15 to 25,000 per month for unlimited product images and ad creatives. Get 8 to 10 D2C clients, and that is 1.5 to 2.5 lakh a month. Your actual time per client is about 3 to 4 hours. The rest is AI. And number one, this is the one I am most excited about. And honestly, if I was starting completely from scratch today, this is what I would do. Building and selling AI agent systems for businesses. 2 days ago, Anthropic launched 10 ready-to-use AI agent templates. These agents build pitch books, audit financial statements, draft credit memos, run compliance reviews. Goldman Sachs and Carlyle are already deploying them. But here is the key. This is not just for finance. Claude Co-work now has plugin templates for HR, legal, sales, marketing, operations, engineering. You can install them, customize them, and connect them to any business. What this means practically is that you can now build an entire AI team for a small business, not just one chatbot, a full team working together. A chief of staff agent that handles email and scheduling, a sales agent that qualifies leads and books calls, a finance agent that reconciles expenses and generates reports, an HR agent that screens resumes and schedules interviews, all running inside one system, all connected, all working while the business owner sleeps. Here is how you start. Master Claude Co-work and Claude Code. Pick one niche, maybe real estate, maybe coaching businesses, maybe D2C brands. Build one complete agent system for one business for free. That free project becomes your case study. Now you use that case study to sell to 5 more businesses in the same niche. Charge 50,000 to 1 lakh for the setup, plus 15 to 25,000 per month for ongoing management. You are not selling software. You are selling 3 employees worth of output for the cost of 1 monthly retainer. Quick recap. Number 5, design agency with Claude Design. 4, financial analysis with Claude for Excel. 3, co-work automation consulting. 2, product image studio with ChatGPT images. 1, full AI agent systems for businesses. Every single one uses a feature that launched in the last few weeks. 6 months from now, everyone will know about these. Right now, almost nobody does. That is your head start. Pick one. Start this week. I post videos every week on how to use AI as your unfair advantage. If you do not want to get left behind, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.